Here we got 1940 Ford Sedan. Looks like this thing's been done over pretty well. You know, it's a nice gray color too. I mean, I like this color because easy to maintain. The blue interior too. I mean, if you can put this candy apple flip-flop garbage on here, and you drive this car, you get a chip in it. This color, you can touch it up, you never know where it was. It looks like you got the aftermarket steering column here, so I don't know what. It's running a different drivetrain here, but 22 double deuce. So, and it looks like the windshield. I'm not sure what that is up there on the top. I didn't for a second thought the windshield popped out, but it doesn't. Not sure. Yeah, again, got the red wheels. That's a nice touch, red wheels. Actually, if you want to touch up a car, just put some, do that to the wheels like that. You're on a motorcycle, put some of the red in there. And you got your high visibility window in the back. To tell you the truth, it wasn't a big deal back then. Because people use more common sense. The more spoiled you get by gizmos, the more you depend upon them. Yeah, no seat belts or nothing. Get on the running board. I mean, think about it. You got a running board. You gotta have seat belts. You freaking. He's got seat belts in there now, but not. Get on here and you're right on the side. You're not gonna. What are you gonna do? Wear have a harness? No seat belts back then. And you notice the wipers too. The direction you go like. Yeah, they got them where they both go the same direction. That was like a modern thing, you know. They weren't very big, wipers. Driving these things in the winter time was not very great visibility. You had a good heater, you were happy. And, you know, door hinges on the outside. And of course you got your Ford V8.